Let's talk about capabilities at ServiceNow. Give an example of an area that you'd like to highlight, whether it be a technology you're striping across capabilities or a specific agency.
Sure. So, when you think about ServiceNow, there's workflows for technology, IT service management, or HR service delivery, customer workflows. But the ServiceNow platform is available to customers as a low code capability, and we have a lot of our modernization projects, the kinds that I was describing before, where there are, plethora of systems in the environment, and the agency wants to create a modern experience that connects data, connects systems. Those are built using ServiceNow's application engine, automation engine, and a lot of the tools around our creator workflows suite. So, one example that comes to mind, and this is just one of many examples, is an agency in the DoD, and like many large, complex organizations, they relied on ERP systems. SAP, in this case, was critical to many of their processes, including an invoice process that was rather clunky. And this agency was already a ServiceNow customer. They began to use these creator workflows to create low-code applications to change the way they do their work. And one of these projects involved taking the SAP integrations and wrapping them in ServiceNow. So ServiceNow becomes the place that people go to perform invoicing transactions. It's the place that people go to do their financial applications. Of course, ServiceNow is not a financial management system. It's not an invoicing system, but it's that centralized place that people go to engage. It's that system of action. And in this case, it changed the way people interacted with SAP, creating a much more streamlined approach to access data and capabilities in a really important, critical application for this agency. So we're changing the way that people interact with core technologies and making it simpler for them to do their jobs. And again, as I shared earlier, in this case, the agency doesn't have to swap out the ERP. They don't have to make major changes. They just have to create an engagement layer using ServiceNow, a tool that they already have, to change the interaction and create more options for people to interact. So it's a very common approach to modernization using a platform that's in most agencies.